In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your e-transfer email in Cibc. Whether you need to update a recipient's details or simply correct a typo, this process is straightforward and can be done in just a few moments. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log in to your Cibc mobile banking app or access Cibc online banking. Whichever platform you choose, make sure your login credentials are handy. This includes your client card number and password, or if you prefer, you can use your fingerprint or facial recognition for a quick sign-in on mobile. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the main menu, which is conveniently located in the top left corner of your screen. Click on it, and from the list of options that appears, select Interact e-Transfer. This will take you to a section where you can manage all your e-transfer activities. Now, scroll down the page until you find the option labeled Manage Recipients, or in some cases, Contacts. This section is where you'll find all the recipients you've previously added for e-transfers. It's like your personal contact book for financial transactions. Look through your list of contacts and find the recipient whose email address you want to change. Next to their name, you'll see a pencil or an edit icon. Tap on this icon to open the editing interface for that particular recipient. Here, you'll find the current email address associated with the recipient. Simply delete the old email address and enter the new one you wish to use. Double-check to ensure that all the information is correct. It's always a good idea to review any changes you make, as having the correct details is crucial for successful transactions. Once you're confident that everything is accurate, look for the Submit or Save button at the bottom of the screen. Tap it to confirm the changes. This will update the email address for that recipient in your e-transfer contacts. And that's how you change an e-transfer email in Cibc. By following these easy steps, you can ensure that your transactions reach the right recipient every time. Keeping your contacts up to date is a small but important part of managing your financial interactions smoothly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips on managing your finances with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy banking!